What is up, everybody? It is DJ Martini Midwest Reviews coming at you with another video for my channel. Today we have a really good one. We're going to be talking about the Pyle laptop stand. I know there's not a lot of huge glamorous things about laptop stands, but I just like to do videos on things you might not see a lot of information on. And so this PLPTS35 laptop stand from Pyle, I just see a lot of videos, and I think it's a decent product at a decent price, and we can definitely get the job done for you. So I just wanted to bring it to you guys today on my reviews and see what you guys think, and also get some feedback from you as well. So thank you guys for tuning in. It's DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. If you've never tuned in, just know I love to do reviews. I love to do tutorials. I'm just here to help do that research for you so you don't have to. Give it to you as easy as possible, and leave some links in case you're interested in some of the products that we talk about. So thank you so much. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers this year. That would be awesome, and help me continue to make these reviews for you. So thank you. All right, let's show you what's in the box. Like I said, this is going to be a quick video, which I normally don't do because I like to chat, but let's just get it done. All right, so in the box, I wanted to show you what's in the box. And so it is all wrapped up individually, but I just put everything in here just to show you everything you're going to get. So here's the box right here. I did get a little discount on it because it was a warehouse deal, so make sure you guys are looking for that. Retails for $29, but here's the actual stand itself. It does come with a little bag, which is great to help it be a little bit more portable for you. But here's the actual item itself. I have kind of modified it a little bit already, but we'll show you that in a second. Good construction, good metal, all that kind of stuff. The way it locks and everything, really easy to use, portable, all that good stuff. So far so good. But you can see they do have their little logo sticker on it. Nice, decent paint job, and the welds look okay as well, but not bad for $29. Also in the box, of course, you get all the instructions if you're happy with it. A little QR code, the instructions in case you need those, guys. Throw that to the side. In the happy bag here, we'll pull out the lifetime warranty card and the QR code to go ahead and register for that. And then last but not least, the little extra shelf. Now this shelf is about 7 inches, and I don't know I don't know exactly what you're going to use it for, and so we'll talk about that a little bit. And it just has a little rubber band like in the middle. I don't know. All right, so but real quick, just like I said, the bag is nice. The only thing that I could see wrong with the bag is the zipper on this bag is really cheap, so just be careful with that. It works now, but like I said, if you were trying to mess with this too much, I think this zipper is the cheapest part of the bag. It does have a nice little holder here, and you can put everything in the bag to make it nice portable for you if you're a DJ and you need to take this around. It also folds up nice and flat, so you can put this in your laptop bag with your laptop, so you have the stand and the laptop all ready to go. So makes it easy for you to get things done, which is good when you're a DJ. Things that help you get things done a little bit faster is nice, because like I said, I have this older one which you literally have to take it apart and put it together, and it could take a little bit more time. So like this one right here, this is an on-stage one. I've had it for years. It has served its purpose, but I just, like I said, needed a little bit, something a little not as beat up and a little bit more updated. So I'll probably retire this to just sitting on my sitting on my table here at home, but I'll use the other one for the road. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and assemble this for you. It's really easy, guys. There's some little silver buttons on the back. You just push them. So we'll go ahead and hit the bottom one first, and then go ahead and just roll that till it locks into place here. There we go. Sorry, hard to do it with one hand holding it in front of the camera, but so it locks into place right here. And then same thing with this top one. You go ahead and push the button, and we'll roll it into place. There we go. Now you can see there is going to be a slight little angle there. There's no adjustability. You're not going to be able to adjust this anymore. This is what it is right now, and it's the stand. So I'm going to go ahead and set that back. You can take a look at it. It does have little plastic pieces on the ends to block those and all that good stuff. And it does come with one thing I didn't get out of the bag that I'm remembering. Yes, these little grips. So it does have little grips to kind of hold your laptop from sliding, because that's an issue that I had with that on stage, is it didn't have any grips. But I'll show you what I do to fix that. Is I already did it to this one. is I put a little Velcro on here, and I actually have Velcro on my laptop. This is my backup laptop right here. And so when I put that on there, yeah, that thing is not going anywhere. That thing is on there. It's not, I'm not going to flip it over or anything, but yes, that is holding that laptop very well. We've all had people do all kinds of things, and I've had my laptop tipped over, I've had it hit with a hand, all types of things. So with the Velcro, at least you know it's not going anywhere. Okay, so I think that's a great little pro tip to anybody new out there, or anyone who hadn't thought of that. The Velcro works, little industrial strength, and goes a long way keeping your laptop on the stand. So I'll leave some links for that in case you're interested. You also need a nice pair of little scissors to be able to cut the perfect pieces that you need. Use as much as you want or as little as you want. It's just there to kind of help keep this from moving a lot. Let's show you this little shelf. Now, I thought like maybe this little MM1 would actually fit on this, but it is so short that, I mean, it does fit in there, but there's just not enough. It was a little bit longer, it would work, but it doesn't. So, and this also, there's nothing to say that you do have to, like, there is 3 holes of adjustment where you can put this, but it's kind of hard to do once again, but there we go, got it in there. All right, so you see the shelf on there. There's nothing from holding it from sliding out, 1. And 2, like I said, I can't, unless I really finagle this thing, there, I can get it in there, but it's crooked. And so I just don't have enough room to operate down there, so I don't think that's a good idea for that, or even for like your smallest little mini controller, like a little controller Instinct from Hercules, or those really slim controllers. I don't see anything that can really go in there, or like when you're actually working, you can't really see it either. So they should have just made it like a tray, and it would have worked better. I think you could put some, you know, USB sticks in there, or some thumb drives, or some adapters or something that you might use during your gig. You could put your phone in there, those types of things. That way you know it's in a nice little cubby. You can set a microphone on here. I guess you could set a microphone. You could set your headphones on there. Hey, that might work. You guys give me any other extra ideas what you could use it for, but using it for a controller or mixer, nah, I don't think that's going to work in my opinion. So let me know if anybody else can get anything done with that. But I won't be using it too much, but it's nice that I guess it's an extra little piece that if you need it. So let's go ahead and give you some quick dimensions on this and kind of wrap this up. So you got 10 inches on the bottom. You have 8 inches on the top. It goes back exactly almost 9.5 inches. So you can put a decent sized laptop on this. And like I said, it is sturdy. It's not going anywhere. So that's good. And it is how tall? It is about exactly 1 foot tall. So those are pretty much all the dimensions. Like I said, this is the model PLPTS35. It is 4.2 stars on Amazon. It retails for $29, which I think is a great deal. Check out those warehouse deals, because I did get this one because the box was a little smashed, had a little oil on it or something, and I got it for $25. So I saved about $5 on it as well. I do like that it does have the pros for sure. I do like that it comes with the bag, even though the bag's a little cheap. Watch that zipper. It's still nice that it comes with it. Makes it portable. Does have that secondary shelf. You guys give me a list of things that you might want to be able to use that shelf for, but it is what it is. But it's nice that it comes with it. It's only 3 pounds, very portable, folds up flat, so you can slide it in that backpack with your laptop and save you a little time. Setup's really easy. You guys saw that. And yeah, definitely some pros with that. The cons, like I said, is the middle shelf. In my opinion, I wish it was maybe a little longer. I wish it locked in, or I wish it was just like a little tray instead, that you could actually just store some items. That would be a little bit easier for me. But other than that, not too bad. I don't have a lot of cons. Like I said, it does work as a laptop stand, and that's pretty much what I needed. So I think that's about it. Once again, this has been the model PLPTS35 from Pyle. I'll leave some links in the description and some other items that I used in this video if you want to check those out. Other than that, guys, that's all I got for you today. Really easy, really simple. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's been DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. Please lock into this channel. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers this year. And thank you. Like, subscribe, share. See you really soon on my next video or tutorial. Catch you later.